Hi guys, Dirk again, Flowmans. Well, so we had a lot of clients inquiring about the powder. So today we're going to spray you the powder. So we actually filled it with powder and we're going to spray some powder. We used some cake flour for our test. So let's show you how it works. Well, let me first show you, yeah. You can, here's your throttle for your speed for your engine. And on this side is the throttle that you set how much powder to spray out. Well, let's start it up and show you guys.
You see yourself every day through the eyes of someone who admires you. Let their love wash the doubt away, so you never again question your worth. It's true, you're brighter than you know. Oh, oh, let their eyes be the mirror you hold.
Well, guys, as you can see, I think it works. Let's see, I think it's about a good 7-8 meters we sprayed. Well, let me show you how we changed it here. So if you're running water, you've got the water tube running from the water tank up to the tap on the inside and then to the spray there. That's how we spray the water. So when you spray your powder, you take that tube out and it's got another filling you put inside and then you spray it out. Well, guys, I think this works quite well. Tell us what you think.